Hi everybody, I'm filming this on Take Your Kid to Work Day, so I have some help.
Hi.
Elizabeth, you use a Chromebook at school, don't you?
Yeah.
Have you ever accidentally closed something that you didn't mean to close?
All the time.
Well, let's help out our friends in Mount Lebanon who've probably done the same thing. While you're working in Chrome, you may find that you have multiple tabs open at any one time. Whenever that happens, it's really easy to accidentally close one of those tabs by mistake. This keyboard shortcut will help you out. By using CTRL+Shift+T, the last tab that you closed will be opened automatically using Chrome. Even if you accidentally close multiple tabs at any one time, each time you hit CTRL+Shift+T, Chrome will remember the last tab and restore them for you, even if you accidentally close an entire window. Chrome will remember, and CTRL+Shift+T will open that entire window and reestablish all of those tabs for you. We hope that's helpful.
See you next time.
Good job.
That's fun.